everyone, it's Jillian, and today's video is going to be an adding too much ingredients to slime video, and these videos are some of my favorites at the moment, so I cannot wait to jump into it. The first thing I'm going to be adding way too much of is foam beads, and I've been wanting to do this for so long, so I started off by making a clear glue based slime just because I thought this would look the best with the foam beads. So I just added some clear glue to a bowl and then tinted it a really pretty blue color. I then went ahead and activated it, and I made sure to leave my slime a little bit sticky just so that it would really hold on to all the foam beads that I was going to be adding. So for this slime, I needed a lot of foam beads, so I grabbed all the foam beads that I had and put it in this large container. Then I dropped the slime in and started mixing in the foam beads. And at the start, I just added about a normal amount just to give you like a basic foam, so it was still stretchy and holding on to all the foam beads, and you could still play with it really easily and squish it and all that fun stuff. So then it was time to add more foam beads. At this point, it's starting to get a little bit harder to mix the foam beads in, and it's starting to get a little bit tougher as well. It was a bit of an arm workout, and here I just thought, let's just add as many foam beads as we can. So this is what I have once I've added all the foam beads that I can. It would not hold any more than this, and as you can see, it is just breaking apart. It is not stretchy like a slime at all, but it's so cool because it's really moldable. As you can see here, I'm molding it into the shape of a ball, and I was actually obsessed with this. It was so much fun. It was even fun to crush it and break it apart because it would just like rip. I really enjoyed this, and I thought it was so much fun. So if you want to try this out, I would definitely recommend it. Here we have something that I've been wanting to try for so long, and I'm so excited that I finally got to do it, and it is adding too much Daiso clay to slime. So I started off by making a fluffy slime, so I just added some school glue, lotion, foaming hand soap, and a shaving foam to a bowl and mixed it all together, and then went ahead and activated it. And you've probably noticed that I haven't colored this slime, and I wanted to keep it white because I knew I was going to be adding colorful clay, and I really wanted the clay to pop, so I just went with a white base. Setting the slime aside for now, it's time to grab some clay, and I wanted to do something fun with the clay. I didn't want to just add it straight to the slime. I wanted to do like a fun design first, so what I decided to do was to take my Daiso clay and to color it. So I just took some acrylic paint and mixed it in, and then what I did was break off little pieces of the clay and roll them into balls, and I did a bunch of different sizes, and then I did it in 3 different colors, which looked really cool together. And I've seen this done on Instagram, and I've always thought it looked really cool, so I wanted to try it out, and it was so much fun. I enjoyed it so much. It did take quite a bit of time making all these little clay ball things, but it was totally worth it because I think it looked awesome. And here you can see the 3 different colors that I did, and then it was time for the really fun part, and it was to place these on top of the slime that we made earlier. this is what it looks like, and it's so pretty, and it kind of broke my heart a little bit to have to mix all these little clay balls into the slime, but it was really satisfying. And let me know down in the comments below right now what you think the color of this slime is going to be once I mix all this clay in. Oh, I would love to see what you guys think it's going to be. Mostly people think it's going to be brown, but this one actually doesn't turn brown. I loved how you could see all the different colors from the little clay spheres just popping through the white slime, and it was so much fun pressing all the little balls and making them all flat. It was so satisfying, and I'm definitely going to try this with other colors. You can see here that it's like marbled through the white slime, and I just thought it looked really, really cool. So this, I feel like, is about a normal amount of clay, but we are adding too much clay. So I'm going to grab some more clay and mix it in, and as you can see here, the color that the slime ended up was like a really light khaki green. I was totally expecting brown because I feel like slime always goes brown when you mix a bunch of colors, but this was like a light khaki green. So, adding too much clay to slime, you're probably wondering what it did. Well, it made the slime a lot tougher, and as you can see here, it kept ripping. It wasn't as soft, it wasn't as smooth, it kind of felt like rubber. It just wasn't as fun. It was a lot harder to pull and to tug at. It was just, yeah, it was really kind of like a rubber band. That's what it reminded me of. So not that much fun. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see another adding too much ingredients to slime video, and also let me know what ingredients you would like to see me add to the slime. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button before you leave so you never miss a new video. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!